All right, so here's an introduction to, a visual introduction to your lab notebook, dissection notebook. Name goes here, period, semester, year, okay? We'll come back to the table of contents in a few moments here, okay? Very first day for this class is going to be picture day, and you're gonna write the date. Everything needs to be done in pen, okay? You need to list every single day, you need to list who the attending, chief, intern, and third year med students are and your goals. So for example, for picture day, this was on, for this period, fifth period, it was on Tuesday, 10/22/24. Our two goals were to get 2 pictures of the instruments and 5 external views of the pig. Here are the 2 pictures of the instruments, one in a case, one with the instruments laid out and labeled. And our 5 external views of the pigs. Here's ventral view, dorsal view, labeled here, lateral, left lateral, right lateral, and frontal, also labeled, okay? When we're done with that section, when we're done with that phase of the dissection, put a slash mark through here. Each page has to be titled with the phase and with the date, and has to be, you have to print your name and sign it and the date in which you filled out this lab notebook. Subsequent sections or phases, like skinning for example, have to start on the right hand side. Date, again, attending chief, intern, med student 3, and then your pictures. The goals are to start skinning. So these pictures, here they're labeled, here's the lumbar incision, vertebral tunnel extended, signed, dated, okay, etc. Once you have finished a phase, we can go to the table of contents and you'll see picture day is on pages 1 and 2. We started picture day and finished it on the same date, okay? Skinning, we have yet to figure out exactly what pages we're going to use, but we did start it on 10/22. So again, picture day, page 1, page 2. All right, there's page 1, picture day. Page 2, picture day.